Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.